Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. This week, we're diving into some juicy topics just for you. First up, is poor organization sinking your career as a successful sales rep? Let's get you back on track. Then, we'll uncover ways to develop a top-notch sales pitch presentation that'll leave your prospects in awe. For all you marketers, we're talking about using social media targeting to connect with rural residents, because everyone deserves some love, right? Plus, we've got a recap of our chat with Ryan Ruud on managing and harnessing AI. Spoiler alert, don't get lazy. And finally, why Culture is one of the top team productivity tools. Grab your coffee and let's get started. Here's this week's first strategy. Let's talk about defeating clutter and boosting your sales game. First up, focus on the most important task of the day and understand why it's a priority. This will help you cut through the noise and get things done. Next, create systems to handle your work. Barbara Hemphill's Magic 6 system is a game changer for keeping your desk and mind clear. And don't forget to rally support from your team. Share your vision so everyone's on the same page. Now, let's talk prospecting. Identify your ideal customer profile and use tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find your perfect match. Segment your database by criteria like sector or company size to stay organized and in control. Finally, build trust with your clients. Trust and rapport are the foundation of any successful sales relationship. Prioritize these steps to become a trusted advisor and watch your sales soar. Remember, focus, systemize, and build trust to turn chaos into success. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Now, let's dive into some game-changing tips for crafting a killer B2B sales pitch presentation. Ready? Let's go. First up, it's all about tailoring your message. One size fits all just doesn't cut it. Listen to your prospect first, then craft a solution. Remember, prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. Do your homework and gather as much info as you can before pitching. Next, storytelling is your secret weapon. Stories create emotional connections and make your pitch memorable. Keep them concise around 2 minutes and make sure they're authentic and tailored to your audience. Sprinkle in some case studies and powerful stats to really drive your point home. Lastly, simplify your message. Too many facts and figures can overwhelm your audience. Stick to the essentials and use bullet points to keep things clear and engaging. Your goal is to further agreement and encourage action, so tailor your pitch. Tell compelling stories and keep it simple. You've got this.
Did you know that 77% of B2B buyers search the salesperson's name online before they talk to them? In the world of B2B, your credibility is everything. SalesCred Pro is the new AI-powered personal branding and business intelligence tool that enables professionals to quickly build their credibility, provide value at every meeting, and become the expert advisor their ideal client is seeking. With SalesCred Pro, you'll be the most impressive person they meet with today. Check it out right now at salescred.com.
Hey there, marketing enthusiasts! If you have an interest in marketing, this one's for you. So, let's dive into the world of social media targeting for rural residents. Trust me, it's more fascinating than you might think. First off, did you know that 50% of rural consumers feel misrepresented by mainstream media? Yep, that's according to YouGov. And another 64% feel that advertisers just don't get their values and interests. So, if you're lumping rural and urban folks together in your ads, it's time for a rethink. Now, who exactly are these rural consumers? Most of them are over 55, and they're big on pets. 54% own dogs, and 42% have cats. So, when crafting those social ads, think older models, and maybe toss in a cute Labrador or Golden Retriever for good measure. Lastly, rural residents are optimistic about their financial future. Nearly half expect their household finances to improve within the next year. So, positive and hopeful messaging will likely resonate well. Remember, understanding your audience is key to effective marketing. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from the Manage Smarter podcast with host Audrey Strong and Celie Smith. In this episode, we dive into a fascinating chat with Ryan Ruud, the founder and CEO of Lake One. Ryan shares some golden nuggets on balancing technology and human touch in marketing and sales. So, let's get into it. First up, Ryan emphasizes the importance of maintaining a human-centered approach. While technology can scale efforts, he warns against using it as a crutch. He says all marketing automation is going to do is automate crap to more people faster. That doesn't do any good to anybody. Powerful, right? It's a reminder to keep empathy and genuine communication at the forefront. Next, Ryan talks about the pitfalls of mass email systems and AI-powered automation. He stresses the need for quality over quantity in your marketing content. Think critically about the value you're providing to your audience. Lastly, Ryan highlights the challenges with social media automation. The abundance of automated messages has led to a decline in engagement. So, stand out by making meaningful connections with your audience. Remember, balancing technology with a human touch can transform your marketing efforts.
Did you know that for 58% of women-owned businesses, the top attribute desired in a sales professional is responsiveness? Team Trait can help you hire better people and uncover the hidden gems already in your company. Its unique blend of 3 assessments provide you with more than 120 insights on how they're likely to think and act. Team Trait can even tell you how well they will mesh with their new manager. Get a free trial today at teamtrait.com.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. Let's talk about the power of workplace culture and how it can be your secret sauce for boosting team productivity. So, here's the scoop. First, did you know that employees who feel connected to their workplace culture are 3 times as likely to be engaged at work? That's according to a poll by Gallup and Workforce. Engaged employees describe their culture as caring, innovative, and professional. So, if you want your team to embrace new sales tech and initiatives, fostering a positive culture is key. Second, let's face it, not everyone loves change, but as a manager, it's your job to guide your team through transitions. One way to do this is by leveraging the enthusiasm of your change champions. Have them lead lunch and learn sessions or mentor their peers. This not only makes the transition smoother, but also boosts morale and engagement. Remember, a strong culture isn't just a feel-good factor, it's a productivity tool. So, let's commit to creating a workplace where everyone feels connected and ready to adapt. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crossett. The show is written by Celie Smith, Jessica Helensky, Rachel Cagle, Austin Richards, and Tim Londergan. And I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated. Copyright 2024. All rights reserved.